Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Niko Siddhartha, head officer from Department Motorcycle and Business in SMK and Satu Baso. I would go to try to explain what is material in mechanic truster mechanic truster in standard Honda tools. This mechanic truster with contain first rack is screwdriver in minus head in big size, then medium size, then adjustable screwdriver for carburetor to adjustment airflow from carburetor. Then we have a set tool for open end wrench from 19 to 6 to 19 open wrench. Then offset wrench from.
Show me the
offset wrench. The 6 is missing. No, the.
So what is the differences between offset wrench and?
Offset wrench is for to span.
So both of them. Okay.
This is offset wrench to span bolt and nut from motorcycle.
Okay.
In the first touch, we
offset like ring.
Offset like ring to he have some torque. Then we can grip equal grip full ball in motorcycle. Then we have open end. This is for
how do you say that?
open end. Yeah. To make easy we to lose the ball and nuts from motorcycle. Then we have a combination wrench. Combination wrench between this combination between offset and open end. We have a set of them from 10 to 17. Then we have a adjustable baby screwdriver for adjustable baby screwdriver.
What is it?
This baby cost is small than the common tools in screwdriver. We have a set of them too, the plus one and the minus one. Then we have a baby screwdriver. Then we have a screwdriver in big size from plus head, to open the screw ball.
There are two types of screwdriver with this different head.
Different head. We have two common type head. First one is the minus one. Then
Show me
the minus one is this. This is the minus one. The minus one is for type of screw with minus head.
Okay, that is the minus one.
Minus one. There is plus one.
The plus one.
Yeah, we used to.
So in Indonesia, we said the plus. Oh, what is it?
Screw head screw.
No. The type.
The type. The screwdriver with plus type.
Plus type.
I will
Plus type.
see my dictionary.
Okay, that's fine. It's okay. Then ada open bunga, ada open.
Yeah. Twist top.
Oh, twist top. Like twister, eh?
Yeah, twist top. Jadi
So,
minus and plus just it.
okay.
Plus minus head. Then we have a hexagonal key.
Hexagonal.
Key from buy this. I will see the dictionary too. We have a hexagonal key from hexagonal key. Hexagonal key from 1.5 to 10 millimeter. 1.5 to 10 millimeter size. So this one, the 1.5 millimeters for hexagonal key, hexagonal ball. To open the hexagonal ball. Then we have a snap ring, snap plier, snap plier. Snap plier. Open snap plier, set of them. Okay. Snap plier or to open the snap ring and to tighten the snap ring. We have a set of them. Then we have a cutting plier. Then we have a long nose plier. Then we have a where is combination plier? Where is the combination plier? We have combination plier. The white one, the silver. Combination plier. Oh, the combination plier is borrowing by someone. Then we have adjustable valve. Adjustable valve.
Adjustable valve.
Yeah, adjustable valve. Range. Adjustable valve range. Yeah. Then we have a profile of wrench to open the ball wheel profile. Usually we use this in caliper to tighten and to loosen the caliper in brake system. Yeah, for brake. Then we have a socket wrench. Socket wrench from where is socket wrench? Socket wrench from 8 to 23 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of them from 8 to 33. Then we have a handle, L handle, then ratchet handle. Then we have a T-bar handle. We have a swivel handle, but I don't see them for 1 year. Swivel handle
So we lost it.
we lost them too. Then we have a extension bar. We lost the swivel handle.
So we lost many.
2 of them.
2 of them.
We don't have swivel handle again. Then we have
It's better for you to make a note, maybe. Later.
I already told to the student to what is the English in ganti.
To replace.
Oh, to replace it. Then I don't know where I nggak pernah kebeli ya.
Papa.
Yang swivel handle. Swivel handle we lost it.
Okay.
Then we have impact screwdriver. Impact screwdriver to tighten and loosen the hard one. Hard
thing.
hard thing. We punch it in with some hammer.
So it needs more power, right?
More power. Then we have
That's the hammer.
the hammer. Kind of them. So many kind of so many types. This is a steel hammer with I don't get what is.
Yeah, just know my idea. I want
Yeah, just is steel hammer with circle head. Circle head. Then we have a copper hammer. Then we have a rubber hammer. Copper, steel. Rubber, copper, steel. Then we have. Then they use in different of type of work. This is for
different purposes.
different purpose. Yes, different purpose.
Okay. Don't show that hammer to me, okay?
Yeah, okay. I think that is content of the mechanic truster with Honda tool standard. So we just have this one. We need it particularly with in one pit area must be one disc, but until now we can afford it because this is so expensive. So expensive to buy, but they use it like what is remeh apa sih bahasa Inggrisnya? Underestimate this tool. I want to they will keep it, watch it, and clean it every time they use it. So I have some soul relationship with this tool of this workshop. I don't know why, but I feel when it missing, I feel sad. I don't know why. Yeah. Okay, I think this is explained for what is contained in mechanic truster in Honda tool standardization.
Yeah, I'm Nico Siddhartha.
Thank you. Okay.
Say, I am Nico Siddhartha.
I am Nico Siddhartha. Thank you for the time you give me to explain this. Bye bye.
Okay, go.